Hello everyone, today we are going to see how to implement JWT Authentication in ASP.NET Core Minimal API. First, let's create an ASP.NET Core Web API project. It is important to add the Microsoft ASP.NET Core Authentication JWT Bearer NuGet package. Okay, now we can update our program CS. We can configure authentication service and add JWT Bearer authentication handler, register the authorization services with a Fluent Builder interface, add authentication and authorization middleware, and at the end protect an endpoint requiring authentication. Let's test the protected endpoint. We are going to use the HTTP file test, and we can run our API pressing the send request button. We should receive the 401 response code, meaning we are unauthorized. And now let's use .NET User JWTs. It's a tool decided to simplify JWT authentication during development. So with the token generated, let's change our HTTP file to run our API. Let's include the authentication bearer, and if everything is okay, we should receive our weather forecast data. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.